So this is going to be my first ever video of Minecraft. I don't know how, but yeah, let's start. Let's start the beginning. Wait, yellow, bruschetta. Just stop lagging, shot. Hello guys, I just played it. I just wanna say that there was a progress here, and there was a progress here because I just grind here, just days by days, but not always, because I'm using some, like, needs to do some like schools, so I'm not actually just gonna post always. Just wait, I'ma just post this. Pause. So what the? Just don't stop with just one. You can load. This is what I'm this is what I'm talking about. Just gonna open it. Then just gonna need to play. Get some this shit bridge. Just to the that cave. And I'm just gonna need to play this. Whoopsie. Oh shish, my bad then. Wait. Why I just died on my bad then. Just used to keep inventory because I'm kinda noob this game. And I got the chip. I got this because of something. Like, yeah. I got this like a secret area. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm not going to get some minings. Just mining zero. Yes. Whoa, wait, hold up. Let me just do something. Systems. Yes. Finally, you can hear some of my gaming skills. Pro gamer. I have some pro gaming skills. And gym. Oh shoot. There. Yes, kinda noob here. Don't know why, but yeah. Yes. Just forgot the shit. Is this net? I'm just bad. Yes. Just play here. Bro, what the? Oh, I'm drowning. Oh, sheesh. What the hell? Wait, Esport I still wait, yo, I didn't explore this yet. But okay, let's just explore this. I have some 20 diamonds, but I don't know if I can make a whole stack. No, what the I'm gonna find some diamonds. Whoa. Okay. Is there a diamonds here? Down. Gotta find some diamonds. just to do some create some stuff like diamonds and diamond picks just to need some diamonds. And this is my character. This is my character. Yung tano yun. Mama, is kinuha. Why is it hard? Yo! Shoot! Shoot it! I'm done. I should have just taken. I wish we could get some of this. Like, yeah. Yo, bro, what the? I cannot find some good stuff here, so I'm gonna go back. I might hit. Yep. What the? I'm gonna try going with this shit. I hope I don't get hit. Oh no! Oh bro. So we should just go. What the? Pull? How do I get out of this shit? We could just go there. Oh wait, I just did the stupid. Just wish me luck. Oh no, I think this will make it. Wish me luck.
Siyempre, imposible yung kung wala siyang alam. Kasi, chairman siya.
Let's
Pero
do
after 4 years, sa 4 years na yun, hindi
Yay! Just got another blocks. Yippee! No, flash it again. No. Ito, lava. Lava. Chicken. Steve lava chicken. Yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, super spicy. It's a lava tub. Now let's just go up to here. Lava. Chicken. Steve lava chicken. Yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, super spicy. It's a lava tub. You want to I need some lava chicken. Steve lava chicken, yes, it is. Oh no, it's nighttime. I hope there's no fish. Oh shit. Hello. Haha, you cannot get me. Haha. Whoopsie. Oops. Get down. Get bow. No. Yeah, boy. Flip that. Oh, sheesh. What else? No, slowness. No. Wait, did I just... Oh no. Wrong exit. Shoot. I'm out. How do I... Gomba. With you. Shit. Just go.
Anong oras ka na nakauwi?
Wait, yo. Wait, yo.
Ang dami mo sando. Lagi sinusot mong sando.
I'm really just lost. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die though, but I low-key just fly away. Where's my fuck? Where is my shish? I hate when I try to find my. Where's the table? If I wanna die, no, I just to live. But tensionado. Oh, yun. I hate, bro. Where is my spawn? I think this is my spawn, bro. I think this is my spawn, dog. Wait, yo, what? I'm lost. Damn! Oh, damn. Why those? What the? Oh, no, it's up. What the? Oh. Don't wanna go down. Let's go down. No. I think this is the part. I'm lost. Tan 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 tan. Wala. Tan 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 tan. Tan 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 tan. Tan 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 tan. You actually lost.
Ito.
I'm actually lost. I cannot find the exit. This is my fear of losings. Even if I die, it just won't break you. I think I should just make an absolute. I don't know how to make a stupid. Oh, yo! Yo, diamond! Oh, fuck! Just forget what about. Just we get home. No, about the diamonds. We just lost 2 diamonds. Wait, yo, I'm gonna make some. I think I might make. Just make. Yo, we got diamonds. I think that. No. Oh shoot. Chat, what do you think I should name this sword? Chat, what do you think? We got this two before that. Yo, wait. Oh well, this. I think I should do this. If you want more videos like this, like and subscribe. Or if you want to add me the dwellers, just comment down below. And goodbye.